going to tell you, a lot of people are shy is not the word, but protected. They don't want a salesman to like sell them something. But the trade show is a place more than any other where you can touch and use and feel and push buttons more than anywhere else. And so be willing, just ask. What's the worst they could say? No, you can't touch that. Like, I've gotten to wear an exoskeleton because I just asked, dude, that thing looks really cool. Can I put that thing on? And the guy was like, yes, totally. And then I got to walk around with like a lift assist exoskeleton for like 10 minutes. And it was
they weren't smart enough. They weren't smart enough to be offering it out to you, that you actually had to ask.
Right. So a lot of people have technology there. And if you really are considering a technology, like this is the easiest way for you. A trade show is the least intimidating place. You're not going to buy it on the floor. You're not going to get a high pressure sale. The worst that's going to happen is they're going to force you to scan your badge, but you don't read your email anyway. So it's not like getting your email address matters. So just ask, can I touch it? Can I put it on? Can I wear it? Because there is nothing like actually experiencing the technology.